So in today's episode, let's talk about how different emotions impact skin health. Welcome to the Oma Show. Your face says it all. How you're feeling, your moods and different states of mind not only show up on your face as expressions, but also show up on your skin. Many researchers have proved what we probably already know. Our emotions impact our skin. Our skin is remarkable. It's not only the largest organ of our body, but also one of the first to form. You may think your skin is only protecting you from the environment around you, but it's also helping to control your body temperature and helping you maintain water balance in your body. While it's true that you are what you eat, everything you're eating becomes a part of your skin. But it's also true that you are what you feel. Your experiences, your feelings also become a part of your skin. My 7-day facelift live program is back. The live program was such a hit the last time, and I've had so many requests from wonderful women like you to bring it back. So join me next 7-day live facelift program starting September 27th and learn anti-aging face yoga and face massage techniques that will help you sculpt, lift, and tighten your skin. The live program includes 7 hours of live facial massage training, secrets of natural facial sculpting, lifetime access to all the recordings, and complete guide to facial toning. If you are someone looking for natural and affordable skincare options over cosmetic procedures to combat aging, then this course is just for you. All the details below in the link. Meredy Vicks, the head of education at the detox market, says that our skin is one of the biggest indicators of our state of mind. If you are content, your skin will have a healthy glow to it and will appear clearer and smoother. You'll even have a healthy blush on overall your cheeks. But if you're constantly stressed and anxious, it'll start to become a part of your face. Your skin will show signs of inflammation, rosacea, and pimples, and just generally dull skin. Why is our skin being affected by our moods? Let's talk about that. I'm sure you all have heard about the fight or flight response, our core instincts to how we deal with issues. When you're going through something stressful, your body releases hormones inside. The hormones include cortisol, epinephrine, and testosterone. These hormones cause excess oil production and acne breakouts, lower your immunity, which can make you vulnerable to psoriasis and increase the amount of blood in your vessels, which leads to a puffy face and dark circles. And don't forget what accompanies your stress and worries: wrinkles and fine lines. Constantly stressing leads to frown lines and wrinkles on your forehead and eye areas as well. Not only stress affects our health, but it also affects our lifestyle, disrupting our healthy routines. We get a little less enthusiastic about our skincare routines, being too tired to take off our makeup, not getting enough sleep, and eating comfort food. All of this makes the matter for your already stressed skin worse. At the same time, if you're happy and joyful, your skin will show all the good signs for it. Your body will produce all 4 of the happy chemicals: endorphins, oxytocin, serotonin, and dopamine. These chemicals will help heal your skin barrier, make your skin more radiant, and your facial muscles will relax, leaving your skin to appear softer and smoother. Help your emotions to better skin. In this day and age, there's so much negativity around us that we tend to get stressed quite easily. But always remember one thing: if the stress in your life isn't going anywhere, your self-care shouldn't be going anywhere either. Never ever forget to take care of yourself through the tough times. That way, both you and your skin come out looking stronger than ever. In this part of the video, I'll guide you on how you can manage the stress for better looking skin. Here are a few tips. When in doubt, sleep. It's called beauty sleep for a reason. Sleeping well can help fix a lot of problems for you. Your sleep can save you and your skin. When you sleep, your happy chemicals start to grow. That is why you will always notice your skin has a positive glow to it when you get a good night's sleep. Meditation, something that has helped me so much. Meditation is a lifesaver when it comes to dealing with stress in general in life. It works wonders on your body, mind and skin. Especially techniques like face yoga and face massage help your face look more sculpted and more glowy because these techniques help your facial muscles also relax. So if you club your meditation practice with face yoga and face massage, it works wonders, and that's what is my morning routine all about. I do my breath work, meditation and chanting, and after that I do at least 10 minutes of face yoga and face massage, and it always keeps my face looking glowing, of course, but it also always makes me feel so light and so energetic and keeps me motivated throughout the day. Set a schedule. One of the things that really help one deal with stress is consistency. I say that all the time. Making a routine of your everyday life will help you stay in control of how much energy you can bring to your life. Try to build a healthy system for yourself so you can deal with all the negative and stressful energies at your own pace. Another trick is to cancel one task from your schedule every day. It helps you relax better, and eventually lesser to do helps you find time for yourself and your peace of mind. Treat yourself. I'm a firm believer of showering yourself with love. If you're feeling down and stressed, it's always a good idea to sweep yourself off your own feet. Go an extra mile to pamper yourself with skincare routines, spas, light a candle around you, read something that makes you feel good, watch something that makes you feel good, or just interact with a person whom you're really close to and you can have a heart to heart. These things really help, or maybe just a long shower. Before I leave, please know that your skin and your nervous system have a common embryonic origin. It means that the same kind of cells form both your brain and your skin. There's a connection between your skin and nerves which makes its presence known in multiple ways. Anyways, take care of one end to make sure the other one is good as well. And if you want to pamper your skin a little more, then please go on my website and download 20 delicious salads for glowing skin, all for free. And if you want to heal your skin, go and check out my online course, Holistic Skincare Masterclass. It has one full module on stress management because I believe so much that when you manage your stress, you manage your skin better. Sending you lots of love and health.